sun is out today. Oh my gosh. We got the wackest skyline in all of the United States. I genuinely do not feel like skating, but we're just gonna show up. I need to stop being lazy. Just show up, skate. Even if it's just for like 10 minutes. Just show up, skate, and then call it a day. It's just been one of those days, man. I'm telling you, just long and eventful. One of those days that just have you ready to just go home. My gosh. Beep the whip. Pucks keep coming loose. So I probably need new hardware. I think. Okay, it was just the rear trucks for some reason. That's fine. We're just gonna get warmed up. I genuinely do not feel like skating, but that's all good. We're just gonna warm up and get into it. Get warmed up. I haven't skated in like a couple weeks. Start with a couple warm-up tricks. Whew. Man, it's hot out here. There we go. Oh. One more time. Gotta slow down. Ooh. My bad, bro. I like to do my warm-ups doing the trick like 5 times in a row, or just land them 5 times and then move on. There you go. One more time. No. Okay. That was terrible. Okay, one more clean one. What the fuck? Crazy. That's usually my easiest trick. One more time. All right, one more time. One more time, one more time. Just gotta flick it. All right, all right, all right. There we go. I'll take that. Fuck. What the fuck? Bro, I'm tired. I'm done. I do not have a ton of time to skate because I do need to head out. So it was only like, bro, this, I think I skated for maybe like 30 minutes, 40 minutes maybe. I'm just chilling now. I'm drinking some water. Where's my water bottle? There it is. Yeah, I'm just drinking some water. Had me out there seeing stars. I'm dehydrated. I'm gonna take a break in the whip and I gotta respond to a ton of comments. I'm gonna do that and then we'll head out and see what Justin's up to. All right, man, let's get out of here. Man. Oh no. Am I dead? I think I'm dead. What happened? Oh, and the trunk's open. Hold up. Let's put the headlights up. Bro, I'm I'm like this close to selling this POS. We high key need a car wash, brother. Bro, y'all see what I have to deal with this car? Too much going on. Oh man, there's just too much going on today. This M3, bro, this thing is fire. I like the old ones. I don't know what they sound like though. Yeah. Oh no, this bad. This side's bad. We'll do this side. There we go. My big back shadow's in the way. This is clean. Look at that. Classic. This is Justin's. The NSX is down. A misfire. Probably something easy like a spark plugs or something. But I don't know what he's gonna wrap this thing next. Damn, I did not know this was dang, clapped out. 2 porches. This color is so nice. Look at that. They ain't gonna ever finish this. This thing has been up for, bro, look at the spider webs. I don't think you can see it. This shit is never getting finished. Spider webs all in there. Banana yellow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This color is bright as hell. Very nice. This is super wide. This wide body on here is insane. I think it had these wheels. Clean. Are those Rohanas? No, precision forged. I was about to say. I don't want to bother them while they're in there. But they're working on an M3 and a Karma. I didn't know that they were not Fisker Karma anymore. I thought that was still a thing, but apparently it's just Karma now. Looking good. Yeah, I wish we could lower the front a little bit, but we're just gonna keep it like that. Yeah, we're just gonna keep it like that. I mean, if anything, I could go like a square setup, and then it'll fill that gap. I could get the same size in the rear as the front, but I don't really know if I want to do all that. I think the car looks fine as is. I mean, this is pretty solid. Look at that. Really can't complain, but I'm gonna let them work. They're in there working hard, and I'm just kind of sitting around being all in the way. So I'm gonna let them work, and then we're just gonna go home and eat.